Don't forget the keywords. And the title for the message of the day is Roleretating Mess. Ang tigulang mupadako daw siya sa lawas nga makasasadon labaw pa kaniya. Pangita pa mo og Jesus Christ kay makita gyud mo ron. Money should not control man. Only if God exists. It can't be killed. My coordinates are securely created for eternity. Must check for heat levels. Ang dili na makamao mubasa, wala na gyud na siya'y right. Karon, kinsa mo laban sa inyo ha? May tungod sa inyong right. Racial profiling. Naay Pilipino nga makasulti nga naa kaniya ang lawas ni Hesukristo? Tubaga. Only legitimate can talk. If you are not, try. The word clearly said that your enemy is your own family. And so I love for authority belongs to love. Working on consensus propaganda for you. Everything it says have a comments without a son. Who is that? But the tree of life will never die. Do you believe in the spirit of glass? The same as the spirit of device. Watch. Confirming my vigilante birds throughout the earth. Nganong dili mapatay ang COVID sa kayutaan. Kay aron makita sa mga tawo ang COVID kung diin kinigikan giistoryahan. Og ang hinungdan niini. Tapok. Compression compasses. You all to one side. Diretso. Mangurog man mo ba? Basta magikan na sa babaw ang buto-buto. Kaya kahibalog yun ka mo. Ug asa padulong. Don't count your riddle new. Who is commanding the Air Force? I am OIS. Your only OS. When you trust the authority of the Lord, firstborn will rule it from me on earth only. Reduplicating Brandon a million times for you to know him. Pray, my precious boy. I hear you. Prove me your will, Chinoy. Do not be deceived once more. I'm lasting, por favor. Hanggang pipilitan kayong magsalita sa mga tauhan ng Diyos kung saan kayo humuhugot ng talino. Brain has manual and program. What are those manual and program, children? Alaska job is now in one owner. These are the ones who defy the Lord, their God. Anong gusto nito? Love or father? Re-advancing laboratory for Shabu to satisfy the needs of all the sons and daughters of Filipinos? Good for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Isang napakamatakot na lugar dahil ang mga lalaki ay walang laban sa mga babae kahit anong gawin mo. Dahilan sa pagmamahal ng Diyos na hindi nananakit ng kapwa. Isang napakamatakot na nilalang na siyang may dahilan kung bakit lahat ng mga tao ay nabuwang. Bakit? Discover para malaman ang sagot. The omnipotent trends will be experienced close around the subject. Ug dili na tawo tapusa ang inyong relasyon sa Ginoo. Dili pwede mo matawo kung walay Ginoo. Ang Ginoo anak ni Satanas, kay ang Ginoo walay kagahuman ug bayot. Tinuod ba kana o dili? Muduol di ay ang Ginoo sa Satanas? Tubaga kana. Sa inyong hunahuna, make the enemy stand by their reason, and ye shall see. White span, Filipino-American, if not lights up, camera action. It's like father in word, son at heart, son in word, father at heart. Sinong dayuhan ang may lakas loob na gawang tauhan ang may-ari ng kalupaan kung wala itong binabasang lakas na pinaghuhugutan? Love God so you can have dollar. There's no bad boys with my light boys. Only the one. All you know is that a king right now only wants to love monkey, not man. 2,000 years of keeping the word, no one is able to finish reading them until now. The extended version of Italy is about to be made secure forever. The high-class scratcher. Thank you for watching. Vicente Oliver Fronteras at www.vicenteoliverfronteras.blogspot.com.